All right, so you're welcome to the Jawo app. This is what it looks like. So once you come in, this is a demo account. Even though it's real money that's there, but the money is not that high, so you can understand how the process works. So basically, you see your name that you used to register, and you see a summary of what you have. This already has some money in it. Naira, it has some Naira. It doesn't have any USD or pounds or Bitcoin or Ethereum, but it has USDT, so you can see all that, right? So some of the first things to do, if you want to know the plan that you want to get into, if it's a auto trade plan, you just come here to start a plan, right? And you see the rate, and you see there are 3 different plans. This one is Akin. Akin is the most risky plan. And you can see there it says high, says risky. It shows you the minimum amount and the maximum amount. The minimum amount here is 80,000, while the maximum is 80 million. It also shows you the number of months. It's a 6-month plan. It gives you an idea also of the classifications of coins and tokens that it buys. So if this is the plan you want, you just simply click on choose a plan. You click the amount you want, which must be between the minimum and maximum amount, or even the maximum or the minimum amount. Then you click on confirm and you proceed, right? But before you proceed, you must have funded your account to know how much you want to invest in that. So there's also Dede plan. Dede plan is a bit less riskier than the Aki plan. You also see the maximum and the minimum amount and the number of months it uses to trade. You also see the category of coins that it buys. So for instance, you see here that in Dede buys Bitcoin, Ethereum, USDT, and but it focuses more on large cap and medium cap coins. Those are coins that are a bit more established, unlike in Akin, where you see Akin picks the 25. It has a 25% of small cap coins. Those are coins that they are not yet established, but they have a great potential to increase. But however, they can also be a bit of risk in that. Then we have a trial plan, which is Jeje, as the name implies, is a Yoruba term that means easy. So it's an easy plan. It's a trial plan. You can start this with 32,000 naira. The maximum is 4 million. It's a 1-month plan. It also tells you what you get from all of this. You also see the rates here. So now if you want to fund your wallet, you just simply go to fund wallet, right? And here you see it's already selected the Naira NG. Under wallet here, we already have NG selected. If it was USD you wanted to send straight, then you just click on USD. But for now, let's just focus on NGN, which is the Naira, and you click on deposit. And once you click on the bank transfer, you will see your bank details, your own customized Wema bank account that is in your name. So you just send the amount that you want to send to that account that you see, not this one you're watching, the one you see in your own app when you open it. However, there's a 100 naira processing fee for the transaction to move smoothly. So if you want to send, let's say you wanted to fund 1 million naira, it means you must send 1 million naira and 100 naira, so that that 100 naira is not removed from your 1 million naira. If you want to send 5,000, then you send 5,000 and 100 naira. You get the gist of that. And once you do that, you just go back to the plan that you want, if it was any of these plans, and you click on that, and automatically Jawo begins to trade assets for you. So right over here where you see these asset suggestions, now you will see this. If you just signed up, of course you see this, you get this for free, but after a month, if you have not chosen a trading plan, you might not see the full details of these alerts or these suggestions. So basically, once you select a plan, the assets that Jawo believes and has done some scrutiny to know that these are the right assets to buy, these are some of them you can see at the moment. It just automatically trades this for you, and you automatically will see every transaction going on in your transactions page. So for instance, today I subscribe to an Apple plan here. You can see it over here. It tells you everything you need to know. today, even for instance, whether you made a profit or loss, that's from the auto trade. You also see everything here. So for instance, if you look at this one, it says it sold this coin for me and it made an 8.9% loss, and it shows how much of that happened. If you look at it here, this one says coin sales are available for withdrawal, AION. This one was a profit. It did a 35.18% profit. So it's done in such a transparent way that you can see every transaction that is taking place, when it's about to take your trade, when it has executed the trade, when it has either sold it in a profit or loss. Everything is done in a very transparent way. So now, if let's say you didn't want to, maybe your risk appetite is not very high, you don't even want any risk at all, you just want to save money, then you just go to start saving. Right, you see the rate, and now there are also three categories of savings that you have at your disposal. This one here is Ajo. Ajo, to people who know what Ajo is is a Yoruba term also for a kind of savings that people save. You see the minimum here is 16,000, the maximum is 40 million. Right, so it's also a 12-month investment plan, and it makes you, this is targeted at a particular goal, like Ajo, like you are trying to, there's something you want to buy. So if you click on it, for instance, you see either it's a house project, let's say it was Jackpot, whatever it is you want, you put it there. Now, if you already have funded your wallet, you could now use your wallet to now just remove the money from your wallet. But if you have not, you just simply click on the confirm, right, and it does the calculation for you. And what it now does, it gives you the breakdown of all what to expect, right? And what will happen is that it will if you click on the green bar lower there, it will now take you into what you have to do. Now, the reason why you are seeing this saying it has exceeded the amount is because for this plan there is a minimum amount. So let me go back and do that again. So let's go to start saving. So let's say it was Apple, for instance. So let's just pick let's say 2 million. Okay, and it's for Jackpot, even though unless maybe you are going to Ghana or something, that's where this will be enough for you. All right, so click on proceed, click on the blue button down here and the green button down here, right? Say successful. Wait, I think there's still a mistake somewhere here. Start saving. Oh, okay, it's probably the amount I put in. So let's just say, let's put in 100,000. Confirm, proceed. All right, so what you now see over here is you now put in your card details. That's if you did not fund your wallet, so you just put in your card details, and from your card details it now begins to take out a chunk of that divided by 12 every other month. It takes it monthly until you are able to get to your target, right? So that's for Apple. That's for Ajo. So you also have Kolo is close to the same thing. The only difference is the amount. So for Kolo, for instance, you could even save from as little as 8,000 naira, right, to 8 million, right? So you see the difference. And you have our flexible one here, which is Akpo, more like pockets. So the difference now between Akpo and all the others is that in Akpo, if you see down here, it says this saving plan allows you save and withdraw at any time. So this one is not a fixed saving plan. So in essence, you don't even get any interest on it, and there is no penalty for any time that you withdraw. So simply you just put in the Naira equivalent of what you want to save, and it automatically converts that your money into US dollar based on the present rate, and it keeps saving it for you until when you want to cash out. So let's say for instance you have saved or you have traded, done auto trade, and you now want to cash out. You just simply click on cash out and click on transfer, and you click on bank account, and the bank account details, mine is already showing because I've already imputed it, but there it will say add your bank, and you just put in your bank details, right? So you click on that, you click on the amount that you want to withdraw from the wallet you want to withdraw. So in this case I'm withdrawing from my Naira wallet, so you now just click on confirm, and you are good to go. And now one also important thing about Jawo that you find very interesting is if you also go to your wallet, that's if you are in if you picked an auto trade plan, you also will see all the different coins that have been bought, those that you might still have, and those that have been sold. You see them in your wallet. So it's a very transparent system. If you look at that farm, for instance, that was sold, this is the reason why it's very I clicked on sell, and of course for now you can't send this, of course, because it has been sold. So you are able to see all that is being done in a very transparent way. So if you also had savings, if you click on savings, you will see all your savings, all what has been done, if there is any transaction that has taken place at any time, at what rate, and the amount, you will see it. So everything, it's in a very transparent way. Whether it's crypto, the same thing. So if it was a saving plan, if it was an auto trade plan, if you click on crypto, you see the amount of USDT that was involved, the amount in Naira, and you also see the rate at which it was sold and bought at that time, and you see all your transactions. So this is done in a very transparent system, so that there is no stories that touch, or exactly how your money is being used. And as you see your money grow, you are also able to understand how it's growing, because it's a service. It's not a Ponzi scheme where people promise you interest and you don't even know what the money is being used for, whether your money is being given to somebody else just so that at the end of the day they can just keeping other people's money, and when new ones don't come in, that's what destroys the Ponzi scheme. So this is a real service that you also have 100% transparency as to what your money is being used for. So in a nutshell, that's what Jawo is. Also, there are other things you could also do. You could also buy airtime for your phone. You could buy data. You could also pay for cable, right? DSTV, GoTV, Star Times. You could also even pay for your power, whatever part of Nigeria that you are in. You can also pay for your NEPA power, right from your Jawo account. All right. So in a nutshell, that's how Jawo works. So see you inside.